Hello and welcome to UnlockLife. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to set a reminder on your phone. A reminder app simplifies keeping track of daily tasks and appointments, ensuring nothing important is forgotten. Open the reminder app and tap on the new reminder in the bottom left corner. Now, write the reminder, for example, drink water. To set date and time for the reminder, tap on Details. Now, tap on the circle beside date and select the date of your choice, for example, 19th June. Now, tap on the circle beside the time and set the time of your choice, for example, 4 pm. If you want this reminder to repeat daily or weekly, tap on Repeat and select accordingly, for example, daily. Then go back and tap Add on the top right corner. Now that your reminder has been added, you can sit back and relax knowing you won't miss any important task. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any need seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.